Welcome back to the channel. If you're landing at Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok and want to get to Pattaya the cheapest and easiest way, this video is for you. After clearing immigration and collecting your luggage, head to level 1, ground floor, and go to gate 8. Look for the bus counters labeled Pattaya, bus 389, Rung Ryuong coach, Bell Travel. Among these, Rung Ryuong coach is the cheapest and best option. Buses from Suvarnabhumi Airport to North Pattaya and Jom Tien run every hour from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. The ticket price is around 123 to 150 baht per person, which is roughly $4 used 5. The journey takes about 2 to 2.5 hours, depending on traffic. Buses usually stop at North Pattaya Bus Terminal or Jom Tien Bus Terminal. From the bus terminal, you can take a taxi or Grab/Bolt motorbike to your hotel. Don't forget to download the Grab and Bolt apps before arriving in Thailand. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your holiday in Pattaya.